I'm just gonna record with him.
No, you can't do it. Overhand on it.
Wow. This is the best view over here.
Oh, I love that. Right here.
Wow.
You see in that tank?
Whoa. You can see the water down there.
Don't drop that phone.
Oh, something. We got bats. Some bats.
Yeah, we got bats.
Yeah, one right there. Oh, look, there's some up there on the ceiling. That's cool. All of them are contained in this. They're contained, right?
Yeah,
oh, yeah, they're all contained. Look, there's one right there. Oh, yeah.
Can you get a picture?
Wait. So, ants help the environment. This is true. Yeah. It's an actual ant. An actual ant. We are entering the cloud forest. Oh, I meant the umbrella forest. Never mind, it's the umbrella forest. Whoa. This is cool. Yeah, I remember you had to go through here. This area is pretty cool. What's in here? It's a frog. I love frogs. It's a Panamanian gold frog. It's a Panamanian golden frog from Panama. Where is he?
So Panamanian.
Yeah, I found him. He's right there. See him? He's on that. You see that on the leaf, that little yellow thing?
Yeah.
That's a frog.
Where's another one?
I'm doing one. To destroy the last.
Do so much happier she can see things. Oh, yeah.
Where is it?
Well, I don't see it. It's back over here.
Oh yeah, I see him. Look at him.
On the left.
Oh no.
That way.
Elevator. Come on. Okay, now we have to go in the elevator. You get to see an exclusive look. Oh my gosh, in the elevator. Okay, here we got the beautiful elevator. I'm guessing we're going to the first floor of the pyramid.
Yeah. Next time we have an elevator situation, Libby just go up with something.
Sadly, there's no such thing as what? There's no such thing as elevator music. Do do do. Ooh. Oh, this area. I remember this. Yeah, I remember this. Deep area. He has a nose, a big one. Look, a porcupine. A porcupine. What happens if it prickles the glass? Never mind. It's so dark, I'm gonna stop recording now. That's what I said. What is this? What is this one?
That's not a monkey.
Ooh, see him?
Uncle Alboy.
That's actually pretty cool. It's a, what's it called? This. What is this one?
Green tree python. It's back there on the back branch.
I don't see him.
You do not see.
Oh, right there. See that little shiny thing back there? That's a snake.
Come here.
He's like wrapped around the branch.
More to look
Look
at.
on the camera. See him?
Oh, here's Sarah.
Oh, this is cool. Wait. Ow. Okay, now we're on the bottom level. Animals temporarily off existence. Please pardon our mess.
So this way. This way, no.
Meant to be some stuff in there. The beautiful water. A Komodo king. What's a Komodo king? I have no. Komodo dragon, I'm guessing. We got like a Komodo dragon in here somewhere. Okay, we are here. Wherever we are, right here. Please stay on the trail. Yeah, I know. A box flute. That's a cool name. Small to medium-sized tree in mangroves. So I'm guessing it's this weird tree here. We have bamboo here. Bamboo fence. Oh, we got some sort of board.
Chase, I need you to move.
I wasn't even in it.
Okay, baby.
And don't bother it. Yeah, I bet
I almost hit the bird.
he's mulching.
Guys, stay back behind
Look at him
Stop
mulch.
getting in front of me. Stay back.
Yes. No, I meant. Are these goldfish? That's pretty cool. The zoom on this phone. These two. He's still mulching. Or she. No touching it. Whoa. Whole reaction was crazy.
Did you get it?
I've gotten a few shots of it. Didn't it just say not to go near it? Did he just go whack? What's in here?
An ocelot.
And also, they're all ocelots. I can
Seeing spots.
Are you seeing spots?
For the birds.
What?
Spots are for the birds so they don't hit the glass.
Oh, actually, yeah, that makes sense.
I don't see it.
I don't see it.
Yeah. I'll probably put it back. Guys, if you don't see an animal in its habitat, that means it's probably sleeping in the sleeping place. I don't know.
Yeah, that's those boards.
Those boards. This worm. Oh, macaw. Ah, a real macaw. Oh, random board.
One more.
Macaw. Oh, that board. We got whatever this is. Can I look? Oh, but let me look. I guess these are two. You got this. That's pretty cool. Okay. But yeah, there's a real red macaw over there and random red boards up there. What's over here?
Watch out.
Cool fish. That's pretty cool. We are now approaching. No, yeah, I read it as that cave. No, we're going in the bat cave. We got a lot of bats in here. What?
Gotta wait.
Be back soon.
What, guys? Another bird.
It's the same one. It's the same type from Oreo. To make sure.
Somebody working the station so kids don't pound on the glass.
We can. Yeah, big fish. It's a huge fish.
Guys, watch out. Let him out.
They're behind the glass cage.
Sarah, no look.
It's following us.
No, there's multiple birds.
I know, but that one is just following us over here.
I don't think I felt with that first
Let me
one.
down and go to the bats. They're flying around.
Yeah.
Picture.
Stop screaming. There's bats in there. I guess bats are pretty cool.
Okay. You get something?
No. Oh look, a green macaw. That's pretty cool. What is it? Whoa, big fish. Huge fish. This guy would eat my phone if he could. It's a green anaconda right there. Oh, this, whatever the heck that is. There's some weird fish in here. Hello there. Alright, bye. Caution. Floor. Caution. Floor. Oh, my ears. It's so loud. Oh, waterfall. What's in here? A piranha? Oh. Oh, look at him. Yeah, so we have a red-tailed piranha. This is how big it is. That's small. It's an omnivore. And and northern and central South America. What? It's up there. See him? He's like kind of blending in with everything. Look, they're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. It's not an actual vampire. That's just what they're called. What the heck was that noise? No. That's just what they're called. Guys, vampires aren't real.
Their diet is blood. Yes, the diet is blood.
They like blood. Okay, please respect all plants and animals. If you see anyone complaining, this request over there.
Oh, wow.
A little board is in there. Yep, we are there.
Oh, wow. What
A blue something. What is he doing up there? He's standing on the net. Why? Mom, give me an explanation to this.
It looks like he's trying to eat stuff on top of the net.
Leaf. Guys, I don't think this is an exit. Yeah, no, you have to press it. It's stinky though. Wait, I think when you press, yeah. Sorry, I had to cough for a second. The Mighty Congo. It's a river from Africa, and it's the second longest river. That's pretty cool. It's Hestai. Know what this is? Oh, you can spot, blah blah blah. I don't think there's anything in there. Okay, we're in this area. What is this? Nice. Ants. Sailfin lizard. It's a type of lizard, like, yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory right there. It is a lizard. I said it was a lizard, I never said it was an eagle. What is that? And
I'm just trying to show you. I'm trying to get over the side to see, guys. Jeez.
yeah.
Look at these big white ones.
Are those? Oh no, those are lab. I thought they were moles. Apparently they have albinos.
Red one or cockroach? Cockroach. Super warm. Okay, so here we, it's an auto made out of pieces of trash. Out that saves in the ocean. Like here's a lid from like an orange juice bottle. I'm trying to like, these are probably from some kind of, like it's pretty much a I've seen these before, they're always pretty cool to look at. These flowers are made from like little plastic things and then like fuzz. Oh look, a shoe. Just a little shoe. Another shoe. That's weird. That is really. No, it's fine.
No, it's not. Don't touch.
But yeah, this. It's made out of trash. It's
Trash they got from the ocean.
actually they didn't paint it. It's just already like see.
Trash from the ocean.
Look. Out to the sea. Out to save the sea. Hey. Out to save the sea. Look, all to save the sea. Every piece of plastic. It's all like different trash, plastic, and shoes. Yeah, it's an auto. I will give the rainforest pyramid a 5. It's rating of 5 stars because it was actually really cool. After this, I will upload a video for the water pyramid because that's where we're going next.
Aquarium.
The aquarium pyramid, whatever. So yeah, I will probably be uploading both of them around the same time while I'm in the car. So thanks for watching this one.